Come test drive the 2018 S-Class. The S-Class is perhaps the only car in the world that doesn't aspire to be something else. The S-Class is a super comfortable and agile luxury sedan. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.